To my channel, hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Timmy and you're welcome to Timmy Best for Family. For my returning viewer, thank you for coming once again. I really appreciate you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell so when I post any video, you'll be the first person to see it. So in today's video, we are going to prepare egg roll. So these are the ingredients for egg roll: baking powder, flour, butter, milk, nutmeg, egg, salt, sugar, and your bowl. Yeah. So let's get started. So in my bowl, I'm going to filter my flour. I always do this and I love to do that whenever I want to mix anything because it gives me that good moisture. Make sure, yeah. So I'm going to add my salt and my sugar to give it good taste. Yeah. So followed by my nutmeg, just a little bit of nutmeg, it's okay. Then I'm going to mix it with just with the stick without anything. Then I'm going to add my egg. Just one egg is enough. So this is my warm milk and I'm going to add my baking powder. Make sure you wash your hand before mixing it together. So let us go. So I'm going to add my butter. You can melt your butter before adding it. Then I need to put it on this table to give it good mixture, like good warm.